Are you looking for a solution for mid to moderate hair loss but aren't ready for a full wig? If so, then a hair topper may be just the answer. I'm going to show you how to wear a hair topper for awesome volume and style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell so that you're notified each time a review or tutorial is posted weekly. Okay, so this is my topper right here, and I'll show you the inside first. You'll notice that this has a lace front, which makes it very easy to give a very natural appearance. Sometimes toppers are very difficult to blend in with your own natural hair, especially as your hair is thinning in the front. It also features a number of these clips, which will help it to stay in place. All right, so now we're gonna put on this Raquel Welch Top Billing topper. All right, so to start, I am going to put this on and I'm going to line up the lace front to create a new and more realistic hairline. I do have the clips closed right now because I just wanna put it in the right spot first. So I'll get in here really closely and I'll show you this lace front hairline. It looks extremely natural. That's one of my favorite features of a full wig. So, there are a lot of toppers that don't have a lace front, but for me, I find that this gives a very, very natural appearance and I don't have to blend my hair and my hairline in with the topper. As far as positioning goes, you'll notice that my hairline is just barely underneath the new hairline that has been created by the topper. All right, so now I'm gonna go through. I have it in the spot that I want it, and I'm going to one by one hold the wig in place while I open and secure the clips. There's another one back here, and you don't wanna pull too tightly because you don't want to dislodge this topper from the spot that you want it. All right, now I've got it in place. Okay, so I've got it secured on here now. You can see it's on pretty good. And there's, some poofiness, and I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that by just gently brushing it out. And I do like to keep my hand on the topper while I'm brushing, just in case I, pull on it a little bit too hard. I don't want this whole thing to come flying off. Because you can't wear a wig grip band with a topper, you wanna be really sure that you're keeping as much of your own natural hair out of that hairline that's created by the lace front. All right, so I have it all brushed out, and this is what it looks like after I've applied my topper, and this is what it looked like before I put on my Raquel Welch Top Billing. It can be very difficult to get the hairline and the lace front to lie flat all day. That is one of the challenges of a lace front topper. But a great product to help with that is something that people use actually to secure lace front wigs as well, and that is Got2b Glued. For this application, I like the black bottle because it is gonna dry clear. The yellow bottle is waterproof, which is great if you're gonna be doing a water activity or you're gonna be sweating a lot, because it can have a little bit of a white appearance. If you're not worried about waterproof so much, then this black bottle is gonna be perfect. I do wanna mention that the Schwarzkopf website actually does say that this is not intended to be used to secure wigs, but a lot of people do it with success. So do your research and just make sure that it's not going to irritate your skin. So to secure this lace front, I'm gonna take just like the tiniest amount, like that much, of this Got2b Glued, and I'm going to put it just under the hairline to kind of keep my hair back and to secure the lace. Okay, so here we go. I am just going to put it right along my hairline. And as I'm doing that, I'm kind of pushing some of my hair back that are kind of getting in the way. And then very carefully, there's a straggler. Very carefully, I'm going to put the lace down And you don't want to get a lot of the hair fibers in the Got2b Glued. You just want the lace to be set down because this stuff is very, very strong and it will actually keep your style in a gelled look, which isn't what you want. So try and be very delicate and just pull the lace down into that Got2b Glued, but you don't want to push on it too much. Some people also really like Got2b Glued in the spray, and there are some advantages to that. So that Got2b Glue hasn't dried yet. If you just spray your natural hair, you can kind of take that as an opportunity to push your own hair back a little bit and set the lace down. Just like that. And again, this stuff is also very strong, so you don't want to get too much of the synthetic hair into that product. All right, so that lace front is totally dry now. And you can see I can give it a little bit of a pull and it's not going anywhere. So you can feel totally secure throughout the day. This is gonna be really great for the summer. If you need to beat the heat, you don't want necessarily some big bulky wig on the back of your neck. A topper just covers this little piece up at the top, but it still gives you a lot of great coverage, meaning that you don't have as much on your head to kind of keep that heat in, and you still get some great style. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you're notified each time a review or tutorial is posted weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.